Growing fresh herbs indoors in your kitchen window is a convenient way to have flavorful and aromatic ingredients readily available for your culinary needs. Here are some of the best herbs to grow in your kitchen window, along with care tips to help them thrive. 1. Basil care tips. Light. Needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Place it in a south-facing window. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Temperature. Prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 70–80 F 21–27 C2. Mint care tips. Light. Prefers indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Water. Keep the soil moist but well drained. Temperature. Thrives in temperatures between 55–70 F 13–21 C3. Parsley care tips. Light. Needs 6–8 hours of sunlight per day. Water. Keep the soil evenly moist. Temperature. Prefers cooler temperatures, around 60–65 F 15–18 C4. Chives care tips. Light. Requires at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water. Keep the soil lightly moist. Temperature. Tolerates a range of temperatures but prefers 55–75 F 13–24 C5. Thyme care tips. Light. Needs 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Water. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Temperature. Thrives in temperatures between 60–75 F 15–24 C6. Rosemary care tips. Light. Requires 6–8 hours of sunlight per day. Water. Water when the top of the soil feels dry, but don't let it dry out completely. Temperature. Prefers cooler indoor temperatures, between 60–65 F 15–18 C7. Oregano care tips. Light. Needs 6–8 hours of sunlight per day. Water. Water when the soil is dry to the touch. Temperature. Thrives at 65–70 F 18–21 C8. Sage care tips. Light. Requires 6–8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water. Water when the soil is dry to the touch. Temperature. Prefers 60–70 F 15–21 C9. Cilantro care tips. Light. Needs 4–6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Water. Keep the soil moist, but ensure good drainage. Temperature. Prefers cooler temperatures, around 50–75 F 10–24 C10. Dill care tips. Light. Requires 6–8 hours of sunlight daily. Water. Keep the soil evenly moist. Temperature. Thrives in cooler temperatures, between 60–70 F 15–21 C. General tips for growing herbs indoors. Containers. Use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Soil. Use a high-quality, well-draining potting mix. Humidity. Some herbs prefer higher humidity. Consider using a humidity tray or misting the plants. Fertilization. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4–6 weeks to promote healthy growth. Pruning. Regularly pinch back or harvest herbs to encourage bushier growth and prevent them from becoming leggy. By following these care tips, you can create a thriving indoor herb garden right in your kitchen window, ensuring fresh herbs are always at your fingertips for cooking and garnishing your favorite dishes.